Hi everyone, this is Isa from Eibach, and this is our weekly recap. In this recap, we talk about the Bronco Wildtrack, the Elantra N and the Elantra N line, our summer sale, and our pro kit for the BMW M2. In case you didn't know, our summer sale is now live. From now until August 11th, all orders placed on eibach.com/US will receive 10% off and free shipping automatically. Be sure to check out eibach.com for more information. For R&D, we brought in the Bronco Wildtrack. This Bronco was in to test fit our test samples of the Pro Lift kit. This kit was specifically designed for the factory Fox internal bypass shock. We will have more updates on this later on. Aside from the Bronco, we brought in the Elantra N and the Elantra N line. The Elantra N and the Elantra N line were both brought in for Pro Kit and the stabilizer bar testing. The N line will have to be brought in for another Pro Kit test fit, while the Elantra N will go into production. We'll have release dates later on. For this week's feature, we got a Pro Kit for the 2016 through the 21 BMW M2. This kit lowers your M2 by 1 inch on the front and 0.8 of an inch to the rear. That's it for this week's recap. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe for more information.